Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Today for the third straight day, Nifty closed in green. Not just Nifty, all the index closed in green today. But there was no big movement both in Bank Nifty as well as Fin Nifty. At least Nifty to a certain extent, it moved towards the upside. Now traders, if you remember, yesterday our view about the market was bullish because both Nifty and Bank Nifty was forming a price action pattern where Bank Nifty had given a breakout. All we were waiting for is a retest before we look for a call option trade. But what happened? Bank Nifty directly opened with a gap up, breaking this previous level. When Bank Nifty did this, Nifty at this point of time, it had come to the resistance area. So in both the index, we were waiting for a retest. So Bank Nifty gave a breakout. Nifty coming to the resistance, we expected a reversal. That is what we were waiting for. Now, even though Nifty moved towards the downside, it did not come to retest this trend line, or it did not come near this 236 level of Fibonacci. The whole plan was at this zone. If you're getting any bullish setup, we will be looking into it, or at least Bank Nifty, if this breakout fails, comes to the support from here, we can take this as a confirmation for us to plan our entry. Now, this support and resistance, what you see in Nifty and Bank Nifty, this was shared in our private Telegram group today morning at 9:21. These were the levels that we discussed. Now, after this movement in Bank Nifty, it held on to its range. And throughout the day, Bank Nifty was just trading within a range without moving to the resistance or the support level, which we discussed today. Nifty also did not reach up to the support level. It quickly started to move towards the upside. Since I watched both Nifty and Bank Nifty for confirmation, and Bank Nifty was just trading within a range, I could not gather any big information from Bank Nifty's chart. So this momentum towards the upside, I did not capture. I thought near 382 level of Fibonacci, market can reverse, which I mentioned in the private Telegram group, but still I said this is just a 50-50% chance. But the next setup which I got confidence was at this area. If Nifty comes to our resistance area, from there we can expect a reversal. There we could have captured a small movement. With that logic, I planned for a put option trade. But problem for me today was I entered my trade somewhere here without waiting for the reversal setup. When market went towards the upside, the loss for the particular trade was more than my risk capacity. So many times I've discussed, if you are seeing loss in the market, without thinking too much, we need to plan our exit. That is why I exited my trade here, even though my view about the market was still bearish. The market just gave a movement of close to 70 points, which I've also mentioned in the private Telegram group, saying that I booked a loss of 20 points today. Even though I'm confident about the setup shared above, I took my entry very early. So I am protecting my capital as loss was going above my risk. So this was just the trading setup that we had. That is okay. Tomorrow we will try our best to find better trading opportunity. Now traders, yesterday we got our CPI inflation data from 4.85. It went down to 4.83. There's no big change. So our market did not react to this. But one important thing that we have is CPI inflation data for US, which is going to be announced on Wednesday. For the month of March, when US announced the CPI inflation data, it was not as per market expectations. So there was a fall in the US market. So our market also fell because of this. Inflation doesn't come under control. What would happen? There will be delay in the next rate cut cycle. People are expecting rate cut in the month of June, July, but many people are saying it is going to happen in the month of September. So it can get delayed even more if CPI inflation data is not as per market expectation. So we need to be very careful, especially tomorrow. We should not carry forward any overnight position. I personally don't do any BTST trade. This is something important which I wanted to discuss with you. Now the next thing which I want to discuss about is Bharti Airtel. The Q4 net profit has fallen by 31% to 2072 crores, but they have declared a dividend of 8 rupees per share. Now this stock is going to be in focus tomorrow, so please add this to your watch list. Now let's quickly discuss about trading plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Traders, what you're looking at right now is a chart of Bank Nifty 15 minutes time frame. Today Bank Nifty was just consolidating within the zone. So tomorrow, in case Bank Nifty opens within this range, somewhere between 47,900 and 47,600, I will consider this as a no trading zone. Let the market come out of this zone for us to plan our trade. So if market opens flat, or let's say it breaks this trend line also, we have a support here. After breaking this, if market continues to move towards the downside, that is when with small stop loss we will plan for a put option trade, where our next target will be 47,300 and final target will be 47,000 200 level. As soon as the market opens, if we plan for a put option trade, market can take support here, reverse, hit our stop loss and just close the day again with consolidation. So to avoid that, we will wait for market to come out of 47,605. In case market opens with a gap down, breaking this area, we will draw a trend line like this. After breaking this zone, again if it's still continuously showing bearishness, that is when we will plan for a put option trade where these levels will be our target. In case Bank Nifty opens somewhere here or here, giving a gap up, I'm not interested in a call option trade. We have a psychological level here, which is 48,000. The market has to sustain this level for it to continue the trend. Now, after this gap up, the next resistance that we have is 48,190. From here, if market corrects, again if it is showing any bullish sentiment with small stop loss, I'll be looking for a call option trade. Our next target will be 48,400 level. After this, we'll just keep trailing our stop loss. If market reverses, how much of a profit we have made, we will take that and exit from the market. This is the plan on the call option side if it opens with a gap up. Now this is my view about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty. It is what you're looking at right now is a Nifty chart 15 minutes time frame. From last 3 days, Nifty is continuously moving towards the upside. Even though Bank Nifty was consolidating within a range today, Nifty gave a decent momentum towards the upside. But one important thing is, from the time market opened, there was no big pullback to trap put option buyers before the market continues the trend. Now when market wants to move towards the upside, it has to keep forming higher lows to remove weak players before it continues the trend or to get fair price for entry. But if you see, even on a 5 minutes time frame chart, Nifty is forming higher lows and higher highs and moving towards the upside. But problem is it has not removed any weak players from the market. So I feel there are some buyers available in the market. To remove these buyers, market can make a small correction. Later, it can decide if it wants to continue the trend towards the upside or downside. In case, as soon as the market opened today, if there was a big correction here, giving a breakdown, trapping all the put option buyers, later if market started to move towards the upside, we could have said tomorrow a small correction is expected and later we can see a up move. But that did not happen today. Near the support itself, people have entered call option trade. Then all of their stop loss is at the bottom. To hunt the stop loss, market can move towards the downside. The immediate resistance that we have in the market is 22,300 level. Tomorrow, in case market breaks this area, retest again. If it continues the trend with small stop loss, I will plan for a put option trade. My first target will be 22,127. Final target will be 22,051. This kind of movement will happen only if market is extremely bearish, but at least 22,120 is an area where I think there is a possibility of market moving towards the downside to remove all the weak players. So with that view, I'm planning for a put option trade in Nifty. In case market opens with a gap up, breaking today's high, immediate resistance we have is 0.5 level of Fibonacci, which is 22,300 area. Some people who entered call option, they might think about booking their profit here. But I feel from this upper level itself, market can start moving towards the downside by quickly reducing the profits of call option buyers. Here market can form some kind of support and then continue the trend. This kind of movement is possible in Nifty before it decides to move towards the upside or downside. That is why even if I get a breakout, I'm not looking for any call option trade. At this point of time, this is my view about the market. Tomorrow in our free Telegram channel, if the view changes, we will be sharing pre-market report. And during the live market, I'll be analyzing Nifty and Bank Nifty chart, identifying important resistance and support level, and I will share that in the private Telegram group. As of now, this is my view about the market. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.